Hey guys, Clinton Sistrunk, Colorado Mortgage Team. All right, today I want to talk to you about a question that I get all the time, and that is, what is your interest rate? And I love when people ask me this because that allows me to educate them when clearly they don't know. Because if you're asking that question, you aren't asking the right question. The real question is, what do you know about interest rates? Because the key to getting a good interest rate is to work with a solid lender that understands the market inside and out and will show you all your options and educate you on how they work. Now, you don't get that at most places. You don't get that at banks and credit unions. Oftentimes they have 130-year fixed rate. That's it. You really want to work with a mortgage broker, whether it's us or anybody else, because we've got hundreds of options. We go shop all of those options in real time for you and come back and give you the best interest rate when it's the right time to lock an interest rate, which is never when you call somebody and ask them for an interest rate, because you have to do a lot more work before you can lock in an interest rate. You have to get an app, you have to build a file, you have to qualify people. And so the rate that I would quote you in real time that day is not the rate you would actually get, since they trade like a stock on the open market. So let's take a look real quick and let's dive in deeper and learn about interest rates today. So we're going to price out a quick scenario. This is a real-time pricing engine that we use, a piece of technology to sort all the investor options and show you who's got the best rates. So we're going behind the scenes to give you an inside look today. So we're going to look at a conventional loan. We're going to look at a purchase price of $500,000, and we're going to look at a 20% down payment. Just very vanilla scenario here. Let's just say we've got a 720 credit score, and let's say we're looking. Let's just say we're looking in Littleton. We're going to price that as a purchase, primary residence, and these are the interest rates. And you can see we've got tons. So you come down here and let's just pick one. So let's just go here with Mega Capital Funding. Okay, so we're going to look at 30-day pricing, which you'll see up here, and you're going to see this is a spread of interest rates. Now, when you call people, they quote you one interest rate, and usually they're going to quote you what we call par, close to zero, no cost, no credit as possible. And today that would look like 6.5%. Maybe you'd quote 6.375% if you're trying to get the deal. If you're a lie to me lender, you might quote 6% without telling people the cost, right? That's what you find, internet leads, internet lenders, that kind of thing, you know. So now this is interesting because this is where we get into things like seller buy down. We talk about that all the time. Instead of doing a 2-1, you do a seller buy down where you get 10,000 in seller concessions from the seller and you use it to buy your rate down. What that means is, you know, today you would lock at 6.5% here, but if you had 10,000 in seller concessions to buy your rate down, you could take it all the way right here to 5.75 at a cost of 9,156. So any time you go to lock your interest rate, you have a spread like this of rates that you get to choose from. And so you need to have an educated conversation with your lender where they are transparent enough to show you this, go through the benefits of buying a rate down or taking a higher rate and getting a credit towards closing costs. If you're not having those kinds of conversations with your lender, they're doing you a disservice, and you should find somebody else to work with. That might be us. Something to think about. Anyway, just a real quick inside track on how rates work. Now you're behind the scenes with the Colorado Mortgage Team, your advocate looking out for you out there in the lending space. Have a great day.